Here's a little tip regarding fitting this replacement indicator switch on this VW Bug early one, 70s, 60s, 70s. These, where these rods are, there are about a 4mm thread, and you can damage them trying to line them up for one. A bit off and you screw and then you damage the threads. So what I do, and this applies to anything at all that where it's accessible, is to use rods, stiff, preferably steel rods, to line up those holes. Got 4 of them in there. And just keep those in there, push down, and you're nice and straight, and you know that you locate okay. Get your screws, as you can see there, as I say, about 4mm, something like that. Go in there, get the screwdriver, and you can feel your way in, that you're straight line starting. Supposed to be. Let's go a bit further there. Yeah. Okay, that started. So yes, you can wiggle around a little bit, but just takes the guesswork out of it because they are very fine screws. 4 of them. You can do them in turn, pushing down to make sure that it continues to seat correctly.